This is a brand new ThyssenKrupp traction elevator at the brand new IKEA in Dartmouth Crossing. This is a really big elevator and really nice. And it's a busy elevator too. IKEA is going to be busy for a good while, so get prepared for a big crowd whenever you go. Here we are at the second floor.
Yeah, probably hold it.
Sorry, my cousin was being just a little show off thing. But got one really nice big busy elevator here. And it's a TK, so this is for you, Jordan Lowe, Elevators Canada. And Lord Elevator. Hope you guys get to film this soon. Let's go down to the first floor and we'll end the video there.
Wait 3 times up in there.
We were very lucky to get the elevator to ourselves with the huge crowd. To end the video down at the first floor. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Subscribe today.